Are you ready to draw? Today, we are unboxing the all-new myFirst Sketch 3. This LCD sketch pad has a beautiful rainbow olivine hued screen, so everything your child will draw will be bright and colorful. Before we get to the awesome features of the Sketch 3, let's talk about what's in the box. We got paperwork, cute stickers, and the main event, the Sketch 3 itself. Check out the one-click erase button and the locking switch. When the switch is locked, you cannot accidentally erase your work. But when it is unlocked, a single click will clear your screen. You also get the stylus and the Stylus clasp, of course. The Sketch 3 has a real pen-on-paper feel, with no delay and has a 1-year battery life. This is a great way to promote your kids' creativity without the mess of paints and crayons.